Hello Space Cats! You might have seen this video a couple of weeks ago illustrating the nursery rhyme Goosey Goosey Gander. It was at this point, while I was adding the polka dots to the curtain, that I realised I had made a big old boo-boo. I hadn't added the line of the bottom of the right-hand curtain. Oh. How do you solve a problem like this? I'd already added the wall colour. Can you really rectify something like this? Yes, you can. Start by wetting the area that you need to lift. You are never going to get back to that white paper, so you'll have to do the next best thing. Lift the pigment as much as possible by wetting the area and then dabbing it with a clean, dry cloth or kitchen paper. Next, when dryish, I added the dots. To hide that dratted mistake with the wall colour, I'm adding shade to the curtains to darken them against the colour of the wall. I'm not adding any to the area where the mistaken colour was. That way it all evens up. Lastly, once the watercolour is properly dried, I can add the line with a black pen. And here's the finished picture. Do you think you could tell that I'd made a mistake? Hey folks, if you are as excited about books and art as I am, then you might be interested in these courses that will teach you what I know. Make a picture book step by step will help you go about writing, illustrating and publishing your own picture book. It's a comprehensive course starting with making your key decisions and takes you all the way to making your print ready copy. Do you need to know how to draw children, or dragons, or sea creatures? These shorter classes will help you do just that. Pop over to my website and see what's on offer. Go on, give it a go!